Elector deciding not to vote. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the procedure to be followed if any elector decided not to vote when his or her details are already entered in Register 17A. They will be able to cite what to fill in item number 3 in Form 17C in such a case. Elector deciding not to vote. An elector, after his or her details are recorded in Form 17A and he or she has put their signature or thumb impression, decides not to record his or her vote, then he or she shall not be forced or compelled to record the vote. In Register of Voter 17A, put a remark, refuse to vote, and presiding officer to sign below that remark. In Part 1 of Form 17C, in item number 3, write the number of electors deciding not to vote under the rule 49O. If ballot unit and control unit is already pressed, then next elector to be directed straight away to cast his or her vote. In this education video, we have learned about what to do if any elector decided not to vote after his or her name is recorded in the Register 17A. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.